Will you tell me the next morning how that fellow I tried to rape you? I forgot myself. I forgot you. I forgot everything.
But why did you let back?
With blood? Yes. Because it was the only way. That insult had to be wiped away with blood. If we get married, what can I offer you? Nothing. Premature widowhood, the name of a murderer.
What do I get? Widowhood? But the assurance that your heart and mind are faithful until the end.
After this, after I have, you'll forget me.
No, Pablo, I shouldn't forget you.
If someday you will meet a better fellow who can offer you a better future, you'll be glad you didn't marry me, that you were free.
Ay, sobra.
You resign, my son.
Father, this is Christina. Could you marry us now? This is the last favor of you, Father. Could you? Yes, I know. I'm about to die in a few minutes.
I love each other, Father.
Have you known each other now?
Taif.
I'm sure. We shall need 2 minutes.
He is staying outside. Christina, are you sure you want to marry me? I almost forgot. The bottle of whiskey is called Celebrate. Come on, guys.
Taif. Ito ba?
Who are you?
I am his mother.
I'm his father.
He's my son. I have the right.
Hayop galit.
Morgan, Christina, my dearest, I shall call you.